2023 GMC Sierra 1500. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's designed to adapt to meet your daily demands with its cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, cooled front seats. Don't risk the regrets. Test drive it today.